Alright, we're shoving off here out of Moss Landing. We're on fish on, just drop in right in front of me in a moment. It's Saturday, what is it, May 11th, I think? Is today the 11th?
Today is the 10th.
Today's the 10th.
Tomorrow's the 11th.
May 10th. Saturday, May 10th, and we're going to go try to
Mother's Day
get
salmon.
some crab and get some salmon, so we have some fresh salmon for Mother's Day tomorrow, because our wives are really wanting salmon and just can't get enough of it. Alright, Mr. Smith, are we ready to hit it?
We are.
Alright.
Rock and roll, skipper.
Holy smokes. My fuel economy gauge is working. We're getting 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 miles per gallon. I just put that thing in last night. It's awesome. New Lowrance LMF 200 multi-function NEMA 2000 gauge. Working like a champ. Barry's got a good fish on. Woo! 45 feet pulling. Oh, yeah. Yeah, 45 feet. You got enough line on there?
Yeah. Better fight. Long ways.
I'm just getting ready. Awesome though. Oh. Alright. Be able to make some way on now.
I have to get my trigger up.
Roger.
Went over. What time did you get in that?
In the mud.
Net. This side.
The nice salmon. Get him away from that engine, my friend.
Toad.
Hit the toad.
Nice.
Woo! Look at that, baby.
Nice. Dude. Awesome. That's a slab.
It is.
Look at that girth.
I don't think you're beating me, my friend.
You don't think so?
No way.
What do you mean, no way? It's at least 20. 25, I say.
That's a kick-ass fish.
Well, up high, one in the middle, and one a little deeper.
That is a fish.
Once you get him out of the net, lure lives through this.
Yeah, I
fish.
got lucky and got two yesterday. Roger that.
Woo! Beautiful.
Alright, lucky you too.
Alright. Show the whole tail, man. Come on, get that fish. All right. Carrying him like a baby. One more. All right. Woo! Woo! Oh,
All right.
good. Actually, 22. 22 and a half. 22 and a half.
All right.
You check it.
I trust you.
All
Let's
right.
get fishing.
Beautiful fish.
I have good vibes down
Just missed
here.
a nice fish. Had him on for a few seconds and came off. Line was really tight, so nothing I.
You know, in Canada, you catch salmon over 30. They have a special name, tai.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, it's more than I thought there.
17. 17.
15 and a half. 14 and a half.
Oh, I see. Yeah, I said 15.
Wow.
Remember? Wait a minute.
15.
Got him?
Alright, we're going to pull our one crab pot that we put down today and see if we get anything good here.
It's got Aspen's name all over it.
Oh yeah.
Aspen, it feels very heavy. Like there's many crab. Or else a big...
Sunstar.
Or else you have
Yeah.
big star. Dude. You better get your camera ready.
We got the video on. What we got? Big Sunstar. Oh my gosh, a full single pot of crabs. Look at that.
Aspen!
Woo!
Aspen!
Yeah, let's see, there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. I count exactly 20 crabs. 2 limits, yeah! Woo-hoo!
I told you that.
One pot.
That's great. How many times we've pulled up pots? 1 or 3.
Yeah,
And that's 20.
that's pretty good. Right on our old numbers too. Right between them. There we go. High tide appears.
Nice job.
One hiding the side right there.
Sure is.
I know.
There you good.
Yeah, I think that one's legal.
14 crab in there.
Right here? Yeah. I haven't been saving mine, but I've just been saving the heads, not the carcass. It'll start saving the carcass, so. I gutted and killed my